Thousands of farmers protesting against the centre's new agri law for the past 11 days in Delhi have called on people to join their Bharat Bandh on November 8th in large numbers as police increase deployment at the various Delhi border points. Farmer leaders also welcomed the support of political parties to the nationwide strike against the laws and demanded that the legislation be repealed. The Congress, Aam Aadmi Party, Samajwadi Party, BSP, Nationalistic Congress Party, CPIM and DMK are among the political parties that are backing the day-long strike. The Delhi police has increased deployment and security arrangements on Delhi borders with Haryana and UP as a precautionary measure. Farmers have threatened to intensify their agitation and block more roads leading to the national capital if the government did not accept their demands. Talks between the government and the protesting farmer unions so far have been futile, and the sixth round of discussion is scheduled to be held on Wednesday. The Delhi Traffic Police on December 7 tweeted about the closure of the Singhu, Turkey and Mangesh borders. Meanwhile, the union government's unrelenting attempts to resolve the farmers' agitation through dialogue is making little headway, with few of the farmers' union remaining adamant on their demand to repeal the new agriculture laws. While farmers expect that the government to send the new draft with amendments to them before they come for the next round of meeting on December 9, but sources in the government said that the draft will be discussed only at the discussion table.
जो सुबह से लेकर शाम तक खराब दूध हो गया, ये पेरिशेबल गुड है। नॉन पेरिशेबल गुड हो गई, जैसे चावल हो गया, इसे हम स्टोर कर सकते हैं। उन्होंने लिखा है कि पेरिशेबल गुड में 100%, अगर उसकी 50% तक कीमत बढ़ती है तो सरकार इस पर विचार करेगी।
Meanwhile, Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal on December 7 visited the Singhu border, where thousands of farmers are protesting against the centre's new farm laws, and reviewed arrangements made for them by the city government. The visit comes a day after Aam Aadmi Party extended its support to the Bharat Bandh called by the protesting farmers on December 8th.